Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to clean air conditioner, and this is a window type. Now I just removed the plastic evaporator drain pan, and next I'm going to remove the plastic guard of the styrofoam, and I just remove guys the nut of the blower wheel, and it's very hard to remove, so I'm going to use DW40 here to soften it. And take note, do not use any object in removing this because this is fragile. And I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you the first the start of the video on how to remove on how to disassemble this, because my capturing device is full of memory, so I started in the middle. So we're going to remove also the fan motor, because if we use pressure washer here, the pressurized water might get into our bearing, and if the bearing got damaged, it creates friction and annoying noise, and it creates back job in our job. And after this guys, just apply degreaser whatever you have in your area. And as you notice guys, I'm not using pressure washer here. It's only an ordinary hose from the faucet. But if you're going to do this, make sure that you have a degreaser in order for you to clean the evaporator and the condensing coil properly. And make sure you also have a detergent and a brush for you to clean the coil, and just apply it, just brush it carefully so the fins won't damage. And for the father out there and for the OJT out there, if you want to clean as what I'm doing, just follow this one. So no need to use pressure washer. So my intention here is in order to help the DIY there who want to clean their air conditioner without the technician doing it, because our situation right now is we're facing a pandemic. And if you want to do DIY, I'm demonstrating it here on how to do it. Actually, this one is the proper way of cleaning the air conditioner. You should remove all the things there and set aside, and what left to the base pan is the condenser, the evaporator, and the compressor, and start cleaning it. By the way guys, this unit has been reprocessed, and the issue not fixed according to the owner, and the owner is suffered for 1 year. And when I check, it's only the fan capacitor for the fan motor which is changed its value. And take note, the value of this is 2.5 and it drops to 0.3 UF. After cleaning it guys, now it's time to install the fan motor again. It has a 3 screw on the base, and let's install now the wall, which is made of GI sheet, and this is the vent guys. The holder is the vent. And let's start assembling the styrofoam, which is installed next to the GI sheet wall, and just make it fit there. And after this, install the fan blade. Make sure you install the washer and the nuts, and apply torque guys, so when it spins it doesn't create annoying sound on it. By the way guys, yours truly is HVAC technician with knowledge in electronics and in welding and so on. You may install the plastic drawing pan lastly and install back the evaporator coil with extra caution so it won't leak, it won't damage the refrigerant pipe, and screw them all. And after this guys, okay, the cover for the condenser, install it, and next install the fan blade for the condenser and apply the and install as well the bolt and nut, and don't forget to tighten that one. And after this, install now the condenser coil and make sure to bring back all the screw so it will fit properly, and when the unit start, no annoying sounds will create. Otherwise it will damage the fan blade, whatever if it's not being screwed properly. And after this guys, we're going to wire the common starting and running, and that's the only wiring I remove because the control box as well as the fan motor is being removed. And here we're going to wire it up, and common starting running, the OLP goes to the common terminal and the black wire goes to the starting and the blue wires goes to the running. And if you're not if you're new to this guys, make sure to, before installing it, get your cell phone or your camera, make a shot on it so you can install them back. And once you do it, you won't damage the compressor or you not get hurt. It may blow if wrong wiring is being done. And don't worry, the wiring diagram is still there, and if ever that the wiring diagram is not available, just Google it on the internet and you can get it easily. And after this guys, I'm going to check the refrigerant because it's been reprocessed without cleaning the unit, so it's not proper to reprocess the unit without cleaning the evaporator and the condensing coil, because you cannot get exact reading or the running pressure of this unit. I recommend guys that you should clean your Aricon every 6 months if this is being used every day, and the air filter must be every 3 days. Otherwise you may get sick because of this air conditioner. And what healthier is an open window, but if someone is smoking downstairs or you live nearby the highway, better use air conditioning. You should clean it regularly. And let's power it on guys. I'm going to open this a little bit so I can access the access valve, and I'm going to install my gauge manifold, and we're going to check the refrigerant because there must be changes after cleaning it, and plug it so the air from the hose will evacuate. And look, it's only 40 psi left. As I've said, do not reprocess if the unit is dirty. You can get exact reading on it, which is 60 psi. And next guys, we're going to refill the unit with R22 because this is a R22 refrigerant. So just connect the yellow hose and make sure it's tightened to the tank valve. Insert it and tighten and open the tank valve. and you must spark the air also by opening the high side knob a little bit and start charging. And after this, close it and a minute, so the new entered refrigerant will cycle, and after this you're going to refill it again. And as you notice, the ice formation there is being melted. Just open the valve and close it, and I can feel the coolness now. If 60 psi is being charged, stop charging guys and remove the gauge manifold on it and close it. By the way guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm asking you a favor to please follow me by clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be updated just in case I have a new upload feature. I hope you learned something new today guys. If you have a question, please don't hesitate to comment it down. If on-call technician is not busy, I'm going to answer that, God willing. Thank you for watching and subscribing. God bless.